Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am Javins Dr. Neeraj Dolia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss the topic cleavage plants, types and the physiology of the cleavage divisions. So in the earlier lectures we have discussed that what is cleavage divisions. So cleavage divisions are the initial cell divisions which are found in the fertilized egg or the zygote, and the cells which form through the cleavage divisions are known as the blastomeres. So we also discussed about the various laws of the cleavage divisions, like the Say's law. So it says that the cleavage divisions occurs at perpendicular to each other. Then Hertwig law, which says that the spindle fibers are formed in the long axis of the cytoplasm. Then the Fluger's law, which says that the spindle fibers are formed in the minimum resistant part of the fertilized egg, that is the cytoplasmic part, because the yolk creates the resistance for the um, cell divisions or the cleavage divisions. Then Balfour's law, it says that the rate of the cleavage divisions is inversely proportional to the concentration of the yolk or the amount of the yolk. Okay, so going ahead, that we will discuss the planes of the cleavage, means at which angle the cleavage divisions occurs. So first is the meridional plane. So the meridional plane, it in the this type of the plane, the cleavage divisions occurs, or the farrow formation, which occurs through the median axis or the central of the egg in the vertical form. Okay, means animal pole to vegetal pole. So that is the meridional plane, that is vertical, and that is that divides the cell in equal parts. Okay, so next is the vertical plane. So it is also vertical, means from the animal pole to the vegetal pole, and uh, except the median axis or the center of the egg. So except the meridional plane, all the planes, vertical planes, are known as the vertical plane. Okay, so only one difference is there, that the meridional plane go through the median axis or the center of the egg, and except that plane, all vertical farrow formations are known as the vertical plane. Then equatorial plane. So right angle to the median axis, right angle to the median axis, it divides the egg halfway between the animal pole and the vegetal pole. So you can say that it is a horizontal plane. Okay, and it divides the egg into the two equal parts. One is the animal pole and another is the vegetal pole. So then again, it is the latitudinal plane. So it is also horizontal, but except the equatorial plane. So all the horizontal planes except the equatorial plane are known as the latitudinal plane. Okay, so these are the various planes of the cleavage. So next, going ahead and discuss about the types of the cleavage. So the cleavage divisions are categorized into various types according to various variants. Okay, so which factor you are considering, according to that, various types of the divisions are there. So on the basis of destiny of the blastomeres, okay, so how these blastomeres will perform or will behave in the future, on the basis of the two types of cleavage divisions are there. One is the determinate and second one is the indeterminate. Okay, so in the determinate type of the blastomere cleavage divisions, the each of the blastomere have its definite future. Okay, means one blastomere, if the future of the blastomeres is decided that this blastomere will form this structure in the animal. So this is known as the determinate type of the cleavage divisions, and these divisions are generally found in the protostomia animals. Okay. Second is the indeterminate cleavage divisions. So in the indeterminate cleavage divisions, the future of the blastomeres is not decided. Okay, so if you remove one blastomere, the structure is replaced by the another blastomere. So this is the indeterminate type of the cleavage divisions, and it is known as generally in the deuterostomia animals. Okay, so hope you are satisfied with this digital session, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query. And this session is powered by digital version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Thank you.